10,000 tick trap. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Welcome, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Thanks for joining. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope you had an amazing weekend. Hey, bandits, don't forget to scalp that like button. Don't forget to drop a GM in the chat. I'm Baba Money, and we're here live every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time, trading the E-minis. Hope you guys are doing well. Pandas! Pandas! Let me know in the chat what you do to reset your mental capital over the weekend. Do you continue to trade? Do you continue to practice? Do you continue to study? Or do you like to relax? Which one do you like to do over the weekend? Also, I put a poll up. Let me know how many funded accounts you have. Pandas. Hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget, pandas. Yesterday's woes are today's no's. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everyone's doing amazing here.
10,000 tick trap.
Oof. The daily chart looks like it's about to explode, pandas. Like, this could be a strong uptrend day today. I would not be surprised. All day on Friday, we basically had consolidation. And so we're about to blast off here. We're about to blast off here, pandas. I think we could have a strong bull trend day today. We'll see. I just want to see some movement. Why is there an option? Why isn't there an option to choose 100 plus in the poll? Maybe you might have 100 plus. I don't know. That'd be amazing. You'd be like, you're Daryl himself. You're Daryl incarnate. Pandas. Pandas. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Let me say good morning to come on, pandas. Just saying right. Good morning, Emmanuel White. Good morning. Black Light Gypsy. Good morning. Peter Cho. Welcome. Avalon FPS. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, Big P. Someone Rockies. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Sleepy Joe. Good morning. Top left of your screen. We're up 1,500 on each of our accounts. We're about $1,000 away from Payout City. Pandas, can we do it? Can we do it? I hope so. That's what we're hoping for, pandas. Let's get it. Vince, welcome to the stream. I'm glad you can join us. I'm glad you found the videos helpful. They're from like 100 years ago when I had no idea what I was doing. So I appreciate you joining the stream. Thank you very much. Pandas, I'll be right back.
5-minute trap.
Sorry about that, pandas. I'm back. Hello, good morning. Hindu Man, welcome. Daniel, welcome. Bill7, welcome. Make sure you scout that like button. Hugh, good morning. The panda avatar is creepy. Af.
10,000
It
tick
just
trap.
stares into your soul. Market's open, pandas. 5-minute chart. Large gap. It may try to fill it. It may not. I mean, right now we're currently in a strong bull trend. I'm looking for nothing but longs right now. Nothing but longs. I skipped Big Mama. Well, one thing is because it happened at 5 in the morning. Another thing is that it already triggers here and then tries to trigger again. A bit sideways right now. I'd like to see a couple bars now develop. It's not super super obvious what's happening. Second entry long. Do I want it? Let's go for it, pandas. It's a small risk here.
10,000 tick trap.
Probabilities. It's a little bit going sideways. Also potential trading range here. So you have your probabilities lowered a little bit. I think it's worth it though. Ooh, whoops. I prematurely went in there. I hope we're okay. I went in a little bit early there. Whoops. Premature right there. Still hasn't broken. It hasn't triggered a second entry long yet. Hopefully it does. It can't break above the previous candle's high. I may just come out here. If it doesn't break it. Whoa, another two. Okay, finally. So we're in a proper trade now. A little bit scary though. Probability is getting lowered. But the risk is only 2 points, pandas. I'm looking for a new high here. Potential good trade. I mean, I think we have a strong uptrend day today. It could be possible. Very possible. Especially the daily chart looking as it looks like right now. Pretty decent strong bull bar. Let's see if we get some big follow through here. Strong bull bar. Was hoping for some follow through. Currently no follow through whatsoever. I could have made my 1-to-1. My 1-to-1. 1-to-1 was made. I don't know if I want to risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. 1-to-1 was made perfectly here. I'll stick around. Sure. Why not? It's not the worst. Like, you lose $200. You lose a little bit more threshold, but it's not that much. It's just one trade worth of threshold. My risk is very little, only $200, or yeah, only $100 risk. I mean, I saw a strong bull bar, thinking we have some follow through, so I didn't have much reason to want to get out of the trade. I just saw the strong bull bar and felt like, all right. I mean, that's enough evidence that we can keep going higher. Some evidence at least. I'm feeling very comfortable right now, to be honest. Okay, does make a higher low here. I'm feeling very comfortable right now. Strong bull bar again. Staying above the 20 MA. I love how we bounce off the 20 MA like this. Very, very assuring. Decent push up here. Ooh, a little spike up. Are we gonna get more than that? It's a question. Can we get the 1-to-2?
Target filled.
Alright, I'll take it. Easy peasy. Pandas, I'm done. I'm turning it off. I'm turning the stream off right now. I'm turning the stream off. We got 5 points and only risking 2 points right there, Pandas. We made 5 points, only risked 2. Unbelievable risk reward right there. I mean, some may say I'm the best trader ever to live. This is a second entry long off the 20 MA on a super strong bull trend. I mean, can it get easier than that, Pandas? I don't know. I don't know. Can it get even easier? Can it get easier than that? I don't know. I don't think so. That's as easy as it gets, Pandas. We're done for today. Let's just turn it off. We're done. I could have got the 1-to-2. But I'll take it. It was so quick and easy. I'll just take it. You know what I'm saying, Pandas? I'll just take it. Right? Because in a sense, you're protecting your profits is increasing your EV, your expected value. So your EV gets increased because who knows? Maybe it could have reversed right there. It could easily reverse. But the fact that it got there so quickly, you just get out, secure your profits, move on to the next trade. If you know what I mean, Pandas. If you know what I mean. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I wish trading was this easy every single day. I really do. I really wish it was just this easy every single day. I really wish it was just this easy every single day. 1-to-1 every single day. We're done, pandas. We're done for today. We're done. Just take a nap. Go home. Just go. Go out. Do something fun. Get some gelato. Do something. Get out there in the world. Go surfing. Go rollerblading. I don't care. You're done for today. You can do whatever you want. We already made $1,000 today. Right, 245 across 4 accounts is $1,000 today, pandas. I mean, we're done. We're done. Just close shop. Close while you're ahead. So easy trading. Easiest life ever. I like the trade a lot. I mean, it was iffy. I could have seen that gone the other way as well. Honestly, it could have. I think the second push up is a really good indication we're going to go higher. This higher low. The higher low itself was a decent trade. I like taking these types of trades short. It's just easier to detect. I don't know why. I think my mind is just attuned to like physics. So like when I see like something pushing down, it's just so much easier to push down than up. Because of, gravity, of course. I just think because my mind is like just wired for like the physics that we see in this world. But apparently physics don't matter when it comes to trading, honestly. Do a giveaway if we get 16 thumbs up. Another second entry long. No, thank you. This one's floating in midair, plus it's getting choppy. But the market may not care today. It could really just be a super strong bull trend day today. Like, we may just float the entire day. I wouldn't be surprised. If you have runners, keep your runners going. Ninja till that inverses your charts. Inverses make sense. Yeah, maybe I should. I don't know why. It should feel the same going long and short. I mean, the patterns are exactly the same. It doesn't really matter. It's just, I don't know. I just feel like when something goes down, I'm just more inclined to join. It feels like more energy is expended when something goes up, if you know what I mean. So it just seems easier when things have to go down. Hey, this second entry long ends up working out decently well, and it's just floating in midair. I mean, it just shows how strong this uptrend is right now. It's been a while since I just seen a classic second entry long here. Right, it's just A, B, C. First pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry. You can see with the dark green number, that's where we entered here. That's what the indicator indicates. Second entries. Gives you all the leg counts as well so you can track for yourself. This thing's just gonna keep going up, isn't it? It's just gonna be one of those bull trends that just. It's been a while since we've seen one of these, but I think it's gonna happen. The main reason being is the daily chart is just nothing stopping this. Nothing stopping this. This is just gonna float up. There's really no resistance areas in my opinion. This could just be a bull trend day today. It's more likely, right, on the 5-minute chart we consolidate a little bit, perhaps make a double bottom, and by the time we make a double bottom, the 20 EMA has caught up to the price action. That's a more common thing that will happen. But who knows? Today may not. Today may be the uncommon thing. Making a higher or low here. Good morning, Pants. Hope you're doing well. Seems like 68% of you guys have 1 to 5 funded accounts. The next highest level at 15% is 16 to 20 accounts. Either you guys have like a couple or maximum. That's crazy. You guys are crazy. 15% of you guys have 16 to 20 funded accounts. I mean, I expected the 1 to 5 to be the highest, you know. And the YL has a 1%. He's the 1%er. He is the 1%. He is that guy. Bill said, I have a funded account, but so deep in the hole, I don't trade it even with micros. Wow. What's the point then? What are you waiting for? What would make you trade that account? With a funded account, I can get the charts for free if I don't have an eval. Touche. Touche, you're right. You basically can have a lifetime license with NinjaTrader if you just have one funded account. It could be the cheapest funded account and just pay the lifetime fee. That's actually genius. That's actually you just pay the lifetime fee and you never. That's actually genius. Bill 7, you are a pioneer, a frontier. You're leading the frontier right now. Your brain is as wrinkly as my elbow. I was gonna say cojones, but your brain is as wrinkly as my cojones. was gonna say it, and I did. My eyes are now open. Yeah, we've been enlightened. Bill 7, low key genius, 2000 IQ move, 4000 D chess. YL, don't even try. Don't even try. Don't even try, YL, to turn it back on me. You know. You know who's the one who does that.
10,000 tick trap.
Don't even say her name. If you mention her name, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Ten thousand tick trap.
This poll better be a 0% to 100%. This poll better be 0% to 100%. This poll better be 0% to 100%. If it's anything else, I'm gonna be mad. There's like some things that are absolute objectively true out there. There is no room for subjectivity here. There's some things in this world that are 100% objective. And this is one of them. This is like up along like at the echelon of, was Hitler evil? It's like objectively evil. Objectively true. We got another second entry long here. It's getting quite choppy now. It's losing some steam. I can't vote. I can't vote on my own polls. I can't vote on my own. Well, that's UYL. YL is in love with Ronda Rousey. I don't know why. He just wants to get beat up every day. If you think Ronda Rousey is hot, you are attracted to. Wait, is Ronda Rousey does it have an H in it? Does that have an H? Oh, no H. Whoops. Well, you know, close enough. It feels like it should have an H in it. Got a second entry long, so a little risk here as well, but. Alright, starting to lose steam here. Getting a little flat doji bars showing. Even the signal bar's doji bar. But small risk and clearly above the 20 EMA, so it's up to you actually here. Thank you. I still don't understand why there's even 1% on Ronda Rousey right now. It just shows that the YouTube community is just, there's just no way you can find reasonableness. I mean, there's some reasonableness. At least 95% of you guys are choosing the right answer here. There is a right answer. There is a right answer. I don't like either. I really don't like either, but there is a right answer here. Okay, second entry long, 2 dojis in a row. Usually you sit on your paws and you see this many dojis, but we're clearly above the 20 MA and having a hard time getting underneath it. It's not the worst long trade in the world. It is a second entry long. Risk is not that large either. I watched so much Monkey Man. Oh, Monkey Man. Monkey Man. I thought you were talking about the movie. I think there's a movie called like Monkey Man or something like that. Monkey Man is wild. Monkey Man is absolutely unhinged. But it's some amazing content. Trap trade setting up here. I'm gonna skip it. I mean, we're in an uptrend. I'm not gonna take a trap trade here. We're in an uptrend. It could reverse here, but we're in an uptrend right now. I'm not gonna reverse it here. We're in an uptrend. We're not hitting any type of resistances, right? It's just I'm not taking a reversal here. Too risky here. Or too low probability, rather. Right, risk. I think riskiness should be reserved for your risk reward. I mean, it could be used for really both ways, but I feel like the risk reward, it's just better to use risky, and then talk about probability if you feel like the trade's not gonna, it's a very low probability trade. Instead of using it as risky, maybe to say it's low prob. LP here, low probability. HP, high probability. Let's just stick with that. Okay, coming back up. So those who took the second entry long, actually seems like you're going to be okay. Seems like you're going to be A-okay. Triggered a higher low on the 5-minute chart, which could potentially move this much higher.
10,000 tick trap.
Wow, this is wacky. I mean, with the multiple dojis, you got some hint, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 dojis. You got some hint that we might start going, like, start getting very choppy like this. This is why I stayed away from this when I started seeing all these dojis. And the second entry long and another second entry long right after that. I don't know. Seems sus. Now this reversal is a little more enticing actually because we have so many failed attempts to go up. Basically I have 3 failed attempts. 1, 2, 3 failed attempts to go up now. High or low triggering here. I mean, we're just going to go completely sideways. Let's just be patient here, pandas. What happens if you make $1,000 on the live account and they deny your payout? Do you still have that 1,000? Let me just see this poll real quick. I'm ending this poll. You guys are ridiculous. 10% should never be at Ron Aruzi. Asking for a friend because I wouldn't know because I have 100 live accounts. Obviously, I know because I have 100 live accounts. Why are you asking for a friend if you already know? Why don't you answer your friend directly? This doesn't make any sense. Anyways, yeah, your $1,000 are still in there. They basically will say like they'll probably. Well, it depends on why they denied your payout. Like, if they are suspicious of you like doing something weird, then they can ban you. They can straight up ban you. You'll just lose access to Apex, such as trading news or whatever. They have the right to do that. But let's say like you just didn't fit the consistency rule, and the consistency rule basically saying that you need 30%. You cannot make more than 30% of your profits in 1 day. In 1 day. So that $1,000 would count for withdrawal, even for withdrawal, but you can still use that 1,000 as drawdown buffer. Yeah. You saw that 1,000. I mean, it'll count. I mean, like, let's just say again, like they deny it because of consistency rule. You can trade for another 10 days, and that get your account high enough so that so you can get out of the, so you can basically make the consistency rule. So let's just say like for example, you make $1,000 in 1 day and you're trying to withdraw your money at 2,600. Well, obviously $1,000 is more than 30% than 2,600. I use 2,600 because that's the minimum you need for the 50K account to withdraw. So what you need is actually you need to get your accounts above to 3,333.33 cents in order to get that $1,000 to be a 30% or above or let's just say like 34 cents, because let's just say you need to be above 30%. You need to make enough in your account, enough profits in your account, so that one day is no longer 30% of your account. It has to be less than 30% of your account. And you simply just need to trade another 10 days and withdraw next time. Hope that makes sense. Okay, pushing up. Really pushing up here. Kind of breaking out. I mean, having a hard time breaking beneath the 20 MA. Not my thing though. This is not my market cycle. I don't like trading in this. It's just too uncertain, even though it does feel like it's still very bullish. It's just very uncertain. I just want to sit on my pause, wait for something very clear. Wow. Thanks for the dono. Thanks for the super chat. Thank you, Panda. I will let my friend know. Tell your friend to watch the stream and scalp that like button. Pandas, I have some sad news. I won't be streaming tomorrow. I won't be streaming Wednesday. I might stream Thursday. I might stream Thursday. And on Friday, I won't be streaming, at least in the morning. I may stream in the afternoon, but Fridays are usually pretty slow and dead. So Pandas, this may be the only day I'm gonna stream this week. Pandas, enjoy it while it lasts. I'm sorry, Pandas. I know, sad news. I may take the rest of the week off. I got some personal things I need to take care of. Pandas. Trust me, Pandas. I'll miss you guys more than you'll miss me. Trust me. It's the truth. Hugh says he knows I have a personal life, but what about your personal lives? That's the thing about YouTube streaming. It's nice. It's fun. It's like a dream job. But in a sense, it's more restrictive than my full-time job. Because I gotta be at my desk, staring at the screen, here, live, all the time. So in a sense, it's actually more restrictive. Because, I mean, it's fun. It's amazing. I love doing it. But you know what I'm saying, Pan? It's a little more restrictive than actual, like, my full-time. I mean, full-time, I pretty much work a lot more, but I can kind of do it whenever I want. Just gotta get the work done. If you know what I mean, Pandas. Got a trap trade point to the upside here. Wow, I appreciate it. I hope you made that 1,000. I hope you're about to get payouts. The negative account. I got you. Pandas, hope you guys are doing well. I mean, the market got choppy. Can you blame me for just sitting on my pause here? Can you really blame me for that? I do think we may have a strong uptrend day today, but the common thing is we come back down to the 20 EMA sometime soon. But who knows? I mean, it's just getting choppy right now. Another second entry long forming here. Now we got 2 pushes up on the 5-minute chart, which could lead way to a push down, or we could get a wedge. You know, wedge is 3 pushes up essentially. But right now we only have 2 pushes up. Especially if we gap up like this. Al Brooks basically says if you gap up like this and then you have 3 pushes up, a wedge, then you can reverse back down to 20 MA. That happens often. Gap up doesn't necessarily always mean bullish. We got to see how the market reacts to the gap up. That's pretty important. Okay, pretty big push down here now. I actually would be more inclined to take the fail second entry long here. Now that we got 2 pushes up on the 5-minute chart, I think we could reverse here a little bit. I'll take a fail second entry long if we get one. I'll try to fail second entry long. Here feels a little bit better. It's a good signal bar. It's actually a decent looking second entry long. But because of our choppiness and our 2 pushes up on the 5-minute chart, I'm kind of inclined to go short here. I'm just slightly inclined to go short here. I prefer not to take out the outside bar reversal. I prefer that. I sit on my pause. I'm very patient here. I'm not super in a rush to try to reverse this super strong uptrend. But we got an outside bar reversal. I'm skipping outside bar reversal. Okay. 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 Oof. Oof. Don't trigger the outside bar reversal, please. Alright. I'll go short here. Okay. Or that. Now we got like 4 overlapping bars in a row, making this even more sus. Right? It's LP, low probability here. The probability decreases every time we get overlapping bars to do anything. It becomes 50-50 on both sides. So we get 4 overlapping bars in a row. Right now, the bulls are praying. We get another push up here. Get the micro double bottom. I mean, this might push up. Okay, it seems like a limit order market on the bull side. The reason why I say that's a 5-minute chart, right? At the bottom of this bar, bulls came in with limit orders to buy it back up. Nothing crazy right now, but that's what I see in the price action. Just stay on my pause. I don't know what to do here. It looks bullish, but also grindy. Also far away from 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Actually creates an inside bar here. Inside bar. The risk is kind of large though. We have an inside bar about to trigger here on the 5-minute chart. What do I mean by that? Simple as this, pandas. This bar is inside the previous bar, right? The highs and lows. Well, I guess technically it's like match, but that's an inside bar. If the highs and lows of this bar is within the highs and lows of the previous bar, then that's an inside bar. We call this an outside inside OI pattern, which means breakout mode. Which means that if we break, there's a setup you can have. If you just go long above this bar, you can make a measure move up. If you go short below this bar, you can have a measure move down. What do I mean by measure move? The measure move is of the basically the inside bar in this instance. You make a 1-to-1 because your risk reward is essentially 1-to-1. You go long here. You put your stop loss at the other side of the inside bar. That's essentially how it works, pandas. So easy. So simple. So stupid. Pandas. All right. Inside bar may be my next setup here. It might be an OII pattern, actually. Interesting. I still think this has another push up here. We'll let the price action speak for itself. Doing a little Hans Niemann. We'll let the trading speak for itself. The trading speaks for itself, you know what I'm saying? I'm an engineer, yeah, pretty much. Ooh, breaking to the downside, the inside bar. I don't like that, pandas. I really don't like it. I feel like there's limit orders waiting beneath it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I think there's limit orders waiting, but I don't know, pandas. I'm somewhat of a scientist myself.
10,000 tick trap.
Where is that from? How's the exact quote go? I'm something of a scientist myself. Where's that from?
Five-minute trap.
No one knows where that's from. I'm something of a scientist myself. Please tell me someone knows where that's from. John Yona, thank you. Thank you so much. There's still hope. There's still hope. Lion King. Pandas. What's going on? I don't know. Going in and out. We're choppy. You're getting into this trading range type price action here.
Five-minute trap.
Let's look at a quick look at the news while we're doing nothing here. No news today. We don't have any news until Thursday. And even the news on Thursday, I don't know how big it's going to be. It's unemployment claims. at 8:30 on Thursday, and then 1:01 p.m. It's weird. It's 1:01. It's specifically 1:01 p.m. 30-year bond auction. They started putting this. This used to never be on the high impact news list, but they started putting on it recently because there was a huge move created by the 30-year bond. There was a huge move created like not too long ago. But other than that one time, it's just I don't know. I guess these news sites feel like it's their duty to. I don't know how they really figure out which news is high impact news, but they figure that they would include that in the list now. Friday, 10 a.m. prelim, U of M consumer sentiment. So, really, Thursday and Friday are your only times you have news. But then the week after that, we got a lot of news. Lots of strong news. Which is okay, right? Because BBM for 80% off lasts until the end of the month. So you can really take advantage of any of these news events. Not this week, but I think next week. If I had to pick and choose, next week would be the one I would wait for next week to get those funded accounts. But that's just me, pandas. That's just me. Don't know why there are new Spider-Mans made. Mine is Tobey Maguire Spider-Man is still the best. Tom Holland Spider-Man, it's okay. Tobey Maguire is the best. I mean, Spider-Man 1, it's so hard to beat that. So hard to beat that. So good. They show the hairs coming out of his fingers. Can you really beat that? Can you really beat that? Like the hairs growing out of the fingers. What's DEI? What's DEI Spider-Man? We're in a limit order market right now, I think, Panis. Looks like the inside bar is failing. Diversity, equity, and inclusion. Ooh. Those are some hot topic words wrapped up into one single acronym. DEI. It's almost an easy way to like, what is the thing like the incursions, plane incursions? If you guys remember, if you guys know what that is, there's like, they're doing DEI on like traffic air control personnel and pilots and stuff, and they're saying they want like 50% of the pilot hiring to be of diversity. So it's like, I don't know about that. I don't know if I want my pilot
10,000 tick trap
to be hired for any other reason other than pure merit. Talking about this made me miss my trade here. I'm gonna attempt this trade here. Could not get in. Well, he don't care about DEI. He just doesn't want DIE. DEI will just make you DIE. DEI will just make you DIE. Oh man, that's kind of funny. Trying to kind of go for like a one-to-one here. Let's see what happens. I may have to take the whole risk here. I don't want to though. I don't want to take the whole risk that's necessary for this trade. I don't want to, but I may have to. I really don't want to, but I may have to. I really don't want to take the whole risk. If I take the whole risk, I need to take the whole profit as well. Okay. Let's see here. Huh. Huh. It's a limit order market. I think I'm trading the wrong style for this market right now. Yep. Definitely trading the wrong style for this market here. Could came up break even, I guess. While definitely the good times in the cycle. Yeah, if you guys don't know the cycle is weak men create hard times create strong men create easy times create weak men. It's kind of like this cycle, this vicious cycle. Got the higher low, which is kind of nice for me. I like that. Just setting up my pause here. If I get knocked out, I get knocked out. It is what it is.
5-minute trap.
Alright. Got hit. I took the trap on the 5-minute chart. Thought it'd be a decent push up again. Ends up being a nice wedge here. Might reverse hard here. That's the reason why I just got out. Right, it was a 5-minute trade essentially. Right, we had this trap trade, and now the 5 minutes reversing. The trap trade kind of fails and reverses here. So I don't want to stick around to find out what happens. I'll just take the hit. Fortunately, that does hurt me a little bit. You got the outside bar, or you got the higher low that triggers the outside bar reversal reversing. I mean, I'm trading this wrong, right? We're in a limit order market. I'm trying to trade with stop orders, so that was my mistake. I try to print a doji candle at the EMA. On the 5-minute chart or what? 2000 tick chart? This is completely choppy right now. It's like super choppy. Super duper choppy. Yeah, this is why I wanted to close my charts right away, because when I stare at this charts, when I know it's choppy, it just makes me do dumb stuff. It just makes me want to jump in trades that I know aren't good. Jeez. Just watching pandas. I have nothing here. I got no setups ready.
Five-minute trap.
Still in the limit order market. The range is super teeny, super choppy right now. And days like this can really be a nightmare for a lot of people. I've seen days like this take a lot of accounts, kill a lot of accounts. I've seen days like this kill a lot of accounts, pandas. You're better off just waiting for the market cycle to change or even trading the next day. Jeez Louise, what is this? Yeah, the days like this take the souls of many PA accounts, trust me. Even I'm ending on a loss here, I'm better off just letting it go. Just moving on, jeez. It's such a bad PA. I mean, unless you're a limit order trader. Even if you're as a limit order trader, this is frustrating because we're trading limit orders, you're not making much money either. Second entry long may be forming on the 5-minute chart. I mean, let me show you the 5-minute chart. This is what the 5-minute chart looks like. It's super choppy. 10,000 tick chart also super choppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 overlapping bars. I mean, it's telling you that's a limit order market. That's what it's clearly telling you. So you need to buy somewhere down here, sell somewhere up here. I mean, that's what you should be doing. Second entry long forming on the 5-minute chart. I may take it. I don't know. I may take the second entry long, perhaps. But in a limit order market, I'll be kicking myself if I lose this trade. It'd be purely my own fault. It is a second entry long though, but in tons of chop. Tons of chop here. Terrible signal bar. Basically entering where I entered previously. I'm just let it go, pandas. See what happens. I almost want to sell up here at this point because it's so choppy. I almost want to just sell up here if we get to it. I'll take one more trade. I'll sell. I'll sell near the top of the trading range. And you take small risk here, you know. Because if it breaks out, you don't want to be holding it throughout the entire breakout. You want to just get out, get in, get out. If it's a limit order market, you might as well trade with limit orders. That's what I'm thinking. Do what the crowd is doing. Eventually it'll break out, but you're hoping that it won't be the time you enter when it breaks out. If it does break out, you keep your stop loss small. This is what ATRs are good for, to kind of know how much room you should give. Right now the ATR, let's see, let me add the ATR to this. Actually a good idea. The ATR is 4.45, so you should be willing to risk 4.45 points. Maybe I got a little greedy with my entry. I put it 1 point above. I got a little greedy with my entry, pandas. Darn it! Got a little too greedy with my entry right there. Ooh, might still have a chance here. Greed is good. People limit order still selling at the top here. Is it even worth trading right now, to be honest, pandas? Giant. Should have got a response. Is it trying to break out now? Sorry to trickle down now. I might have gone too greedy. I tried to get 1 point above the trading range to reverse it. It looks like I've missed my opportunity there. Right, we got 2 points. A 2 point trade, 2 point scalp there. Which is what I was looking for, right? 2 for 2. I basically risked 2 points to gain 2 points. That's what I would risk. But we already went down 2 points, so I don't know if I want to keep this trade anymore. If you know what I mean, pandas. If you know what I mean. That makes even the slightest amount of sense to you. This is pure trading range, right? Pure overlap, limit order market. If it's a limit order market, you might as well trade with limit orders, and until you lose, right? So I was gonna try here, but I think it's already made its move that I'm happy with. I would have been happy with if I was able to enter that. I wanted 1 point above and missed it by 1 tick. My entry. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is, pandas. It is what it is.
5-minute trap.
Maybe I'll take the 5-minute trap here. Sure. Why not? Last trade of the stream. It's a silly one, but we'll try. Just holding my breath, pandas. Basically trading the 5-minute L4 setup. Kind of want to let this candle finish. There's about 2.5 minutes left. I kind of just want the candle to finish here. Is it just bouncing off this channel? Should I respect the channel? That's not good. So I want to be patient, wait for the 5-minute candle to finish, but it may burn me here. It may really burn me. I just realized we're hitting the bottom of this channel. And we could just be bouncing back and forth in this channel all day. Yikes. That's not good. I wanted the candle to finish, but I don't know. It's kind of going against me right now. I'll let the candle finish, see what happens. The 5-minute candle, that is. I kind of want the 5-minute candle to finish, see what happens. Got 30 more seconds on it. I'll get out if it reverses up. I don't want to see it reverse back up. I really don't. I'll get out here. If it reverses up, I'll get out. Or let it push down. If it reverses up, I don't want to stick around. I'll just let it take me out. That's another like $100 loss. Not even $50, 75. It's like $60 some loss here if I lose this. Yeah, I'm gonna lose it. Yeah, it is what it is. All right, pandas. That's it for today. I mean, that's torture. That's pure torture right now. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright. Or actually, pandas, I'll be done this week. So pandas, I'm sorry, but I may take a break for the rest of the week. I got a lot of things I gotta do, so I'll see you guys bright early next week, pandas. Don't forget to use code BBM for 80% off Apex evals and 1 single day to pass. Also, pandas, I may stream Thursday. I'm iffy. I may just take the whole week off, the rest of the week off. We'll see. But pandas, regardless, make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell notification icon to make sure you guys know if I do stream. You guys get messages. I also update this, update the update with the post of my schedule. But pandas, I'll see you guys. Hopefully, maybe Thursday. But if not Thursday, I'll see you guys next week. Trade safe, everyone. Remember, there's no news this week, so please stay safe. We may have a lot of chop this week. And it is what it is, pandas. It's just it is what it is. But I'll see you guys then. Please, 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 please stick to the plan until I come back, pandas. Then we can get a little bit crazy. But pandas, until then, take care. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.